Hi, I have released a new automated MQL4 crowd algo trading system on January 1, 2021. This is a live experiment to show you what is working and why it is working. And I would like you to do it with me. Day 26 is January the 26th and it is a Tuesday. The numbers for the statistics on my FX book look still good, currently 6.74% gross profit. And that translates to a little over $2,015 in MetaTrader 4. So it might be possible to reach the 5% equity growth within a single month, and that would be quite impressive for me. I have received feedback from a lot of folks, and that is always a good thing. When I was 16 years old, I earned about $203 for a whole month in my apprenticeship. In 2015 I made $50 an hour for consulting, and I stopped doing that, because it was about time exchanging for money, without any leverage. Since June 2018 I am in my home office, mostly doing the stuff I want to do, and it pays off. The last 26 days have been a good time, but I think I am going to reduce the frequency for these videos at the end of the month. Time is running and I have a lot of stuff that I need to do in the next few weeks, so I think I might reduce the frequency to one video per week or so. Profit equals value over a period of time. If you would make a steady profit without the risk of loss for 30 years, but only make $1 each year, it wouldn't be worth the time and money you need to invest, because the value is too low. If you would make $100 every day, but you would need to invest 16 hours in front of your screen, that also would be a bad investment, because that is too much time for that kind of money. Having a lot of time and a lot of money is what most people want, and I am no exception. But that can only work if we set priorities, and that means that we can't do everything, don't you think? I have more than enough to do with the support for the 4 premium courses and the robot trading system, but I think I will soon repeat this experiment with an MQL5 version. So I need to do some development behind the scenes and prepare everything to do that. By now you should have a good understanding of algo trading, and you should know if this is something you want to continue. I have started over half a decade ago, and even today I have done some programming for the premium members, but I also understand that automated trading is not for everyone. If you want to join this journey and benefit from the findings to improve your own algorithmic trading system, just keep watching this automated content and be my guest. So what do you think? Will you continue with algo trading and take it to the next level? Let me know. If you have any suggestions, just send me an email. Thank you for your attention and best regards from now again Snowy Germany, Raymond Bauer.